Is your iPhone stuck on a white screen? Here's how to fix it in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. This usually happens because of a failed iOS update, a system glitch, low storage, or a hardware-related issue. Let's fix it step by step. Quickly press and release volume up. Quickly press and release volume down. Then, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Press and hold the home button and the power button together until you see the Apple logo. Plug your iPhone into a charger and let it charge for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Low battery can cause a white screen. If your iPhone boots up, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Delete unused apps or files. Low storage can cause system freezes. Connect your iPhone to a Mac or PC. Open Finder or iTunes. Put your iPhone into recovery mode. Choose Update first to reinstall iOS without deleting data. If Update doesn't work, choose Restore. This will erase all data, so only do this if you have a backup. If the screen stays white, the issue may be hardware-related, like display or logic board damage. Avoid interrupting iOS updates, and always keep enough storage space to prevent this issue. And that's it. These steps should fix an iPhone stuck on a white screen. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.